Align Precision Tempe offers advanced engineering solutions specializing in complex 4 and 5-axis precision machine parts, custom fabricated tubes, weldments, and assemblies. Our application expertise includes assemblies for weapon systems and components for aerospace and defense OEMs. We specialize in components for medium caliber gun systems for our defense customers. For our aerospace customers, we specialize in fuel system components. Our machining capabilities include 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, wire, sinker EDM, grinding, kitting, assembly, and laser marking. Strategically located in the aerospace and technology hotbed of the Phoenix area, Align Tempe was founded in 1972 and has built a solid reputation as a top-grade manufacturer for industry-leading aerospace and defense OEMs.